Best Shopify Dropshipping Niches 2024. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you can find the best Shopify dropshipping niches for yourself to dropship on your Shopify stores, and these products will gain you a lot of SEO and a lot of sales. So let's get straight into it. So to start things off, you can actually see the charts on these products as well. So first of all, we have beard products. Now, the thing is, in 2024, beard products are on a high rise. And obviously, not only in 2024, beard products in general are on a good niche status because of their high rise in sales. These products are very popular in e-commerce, and they're pretty small, affordable, and pretty easy to ship. That's why these products scour a lot over the dropshipping stores. They don't cost you a lot, and they will help you go into the high rankings as well. And the best Shopify store example for a beard product is Big Beard Palm. You can actually check them out. They have the store link right here. Okay, this website is called The Niche Guru, and you can check all of these things out over here. Moving on, we have jewelry. Okay, now jewelry, as you can see, have a good interest over time in 2024 because they had an uprise, an all-time high in 2024 as well, which is pretty nice. Now, it's presumably one of the most common Shopify store niches, and the thing is that good jewelry is sold very quick. The thing about jewelry is that it comes in a high variety, and a lot of people go for that variety. You can actually see the type of products you can sell in form of jewelry, and you can actually see the descriptions of these products as well. And the best Shopify store example for jewelry is Simple and Dainty. You can check them out as well. Moving on, we have more things like pet products. Now, pet products, as we all know, have a good and high scale because everyone has pets. Like you could say 7 out of 10 people will have pets, and most of those people will be looking for pet products. Okay, and pet products do range in a good high yield. And the reason for that is because pet products generally are quite expensive. Okay, they're quite pricey. Like you can go from cat food to maybe, some type of leash or maybe some type of collar. So you can check all these things out over here as well. And the best Shopify store example could be Petco for you. Now, the last but not the least most yielded example would be a mobile gaming accessory. Now, in today's world that is totally digitalized, we have seen that mobile games have a high rise, and obviously, the higher the rise goes, the more people buy mobile gaming accessories. So you have gaming finger sleeves, you have mobile gaming grips as a cooler, and you also have an Xbox One wireless mobile holder. Okay, you can check all of these things out, and the best example for this Shopify store is Razer because Razer gives their products off for gaming categories as well. So yeah, these are the best niches for Shopify, and you can find them all on Niche Guru. So find your niche and get started in the selling procedure. Okay, so that's pretty much about this video. Please do make sure to drop down a comment and do let me know what kind of niche will you be using for yourself. So that's all for this video. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.